today kasi meron siyang appointment sa hospital. Meron silang gagawin sa kanya today. You say hi, Baba.
Hi. Hi, everyone. Today, I'm going to the hospital. And I'm brave. Sometimes I'm nervous. And my favorite part is when I'm done, I'm still brave. And
Where that came from? He always saying that, Mom, can you do it again? Ito yung pinakahihintay niya mga ka-kitchen yung gusto niya magkaroon siya ng sarili niyang YouTube channel na lang. Ayaw na niya sumali sa akin. Sa kanya na lang daw. Magpa-vlog din daw siya.
I wanna go out. I want to be a vlogger.
Oh, you tell them.
Like you, Mom.
Oh, you tell them what do you want.
Or can I tell about Christmas?
Oh, yes, okay.
So at Christmas, I wish they have like a piggy toy.
Yeah.
And it's just like a Roblox one. And Dad is gonna buy it for me at Christmas. And when we're done, Dad is gonna buy me another one, like a plushie. No, I mean figurine. And when I came and Dad is gonna buy me like a Dragon Ball figurine. And at Christmas, my mom celebrates Christmas.
Well, we celebrated here. We can't go home back to Philippines, you know.
We're gonna celebrate here.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
Because of COVID, there's a pandemic. We're not allowed to travel.
How are we gonna go back to Philippines? How many days?
It's not only days. It takes us a month or it might be a year also.
A week?
We're not sure.
A week?
No, it's not week.
Is it a week?
No.
So
He's so excited to go home to celebrate Christmas in the Philippines because we celebrated last year and he really enjoys it, right?
can I tell everybody when I was a baby? Can you do it now?
Oh, you do it by yourself?
You do
No.
it.
Oh, you tell them.
Do it.
You do it by yourself. I don't know what to say.
Do it when I was a baby.
I don't know what to say. Come on, you can do it.
Can I when I start playing Roblox?
Yeah.
So let me tell you all the story about why I logged into Roblox. So my name was Mark, and it's cool, but it's only said like 20 words, but you can't really make. I did like. So, my name is Mark, and it's MORCC22, the 122. And when I logged in,
Pangarap na yun eh.
and I passed, like, I didn't do what is my password?
Don't say your password.
I'm not sure of your password. It's
Is it
Adi.
zero?
No, don't tell them.
Don't tell them.
It's a secret. It's only by yourself.
I didn't know that. I use it in my iPad. No, I use it at this phone. I don't use my phone anymore. I have an iPad. And when I'm go to Roblox, when all done, I I did, like, I did, the scariest game when I play is like, no, so I go to play some games, and our games is build a boat, and it's a very fun game that you can build a boat and sail it, but you can't touch the rock or else the block will disappear. And my first favorite game of is Piggy.
Piggy.
Because
It's like
Piggy,
you look like Piggy.
so Piggy,
Piglet.
wait, no.
Oh, sorry.
So Piggy,
It's your moment.
the Piggy is basically, Piggy is like a game, and Piggy, I know all the Piggy names. So there's George, Mother, Father, Piggy, Dino Piggy, Gravity, Torture, Mr. P, Mrs. P, and Badgie, and Robbie, Mousy. I forgot the other one. And Percy. I know all the names. Some of them I forgot. And the TSP, Doggy, Bunny, Officer Doggy, Willow, and I don't know the TSP.
Okay, say bye-bye for now.
Bye bye.
We're about to...
Bye everyone.
Hope you enjoyed that video. You see that?
Hope you enjoy my video, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to
Like and share
like and share
on my mom's channel.
on my mom's channel. And that's for today. So
Bye.
I'm so excited.
You say bye-bye.
Bye.
We're done now, and Mark did a great job. He's so excited because we're heading to...
Castle. Wait, is it already past? Like the lunch?
Not yet. We will be having our lunch in the carousel. They're requesting. What do you want for lunch?
Rooster.
What's that?
Rooster.
Red Rooster. Okay. How's your ultrasound and x-ray?
Good.
Did you get scared?
No.
At first, you're nervous, right?
Yeah.
But it's all good.
Yeah.
You look so handsome, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're tired?
No, I'm just want to see that.
You're just trying to look at yourself. Hey, what are you doing? Bye-bye for now. He's being so silly because he's so hungry. Sarap mo kumain ah. Inikit na ka na naman kasi. Oh, we will go to Chichi. Ay! Mga ka-kitchen, tinuloy na namin ang aming ganap for this day. Nabili na kami ng konti na aming mga gagamitin sa bahay. baka hindi ko na kasi may phone to mamaya sa pag-uwi namin eh. Sobrang pagod na namin. Ayan siya. Ang aking ate na napaka-ganda at napaka-sexy ngayon.